Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Sarthak Singh and you are watching my channel. Today is 25th of July, Saturday, and again it will be a boring day, very boring day. So let's get started with this video. Let's vlog it up. So guys, there is one thing that you guys might have already guessed. Yes, it's my English vlog. Today I am going to do a different style of video. It will be going to be in English. Till now I have been using my country's most widely spread language, that is Hindi, but today I am going to do a different experiment with my videos and thought that why not to try a vlog in Hindi or better than English. So I will be going to do in English today, and how you guys feel this trial, do let me know in the comment section below. So guys, it's almost 8 right now in the morning, and today I woke very early, almost at 5:30. Yes, that is very early for me in this lockdown period. So as it is 8, so it is going to be time for my online classes, online school, whatever you call. So if you guys also attend these classes, do let me know in the comment section how you feel about this online classes and all that stuff. So let me get ready, let me freshen up, then I will see later. Boom. And guys, one thing that helped me a lot during this lockdown period was this small white box, which is known as the router. You guys might already know, and from the date I have installed this in my house, it gave me no problem at all, no connection break, anything like that. If you hadn't watched my the PUBG video, PUBG gameplay video, PUBG test video, you can go and check out on my channel. You can notice that the gameplay was very smooth, no lag at all, and we were playing at very high graphics and high frame rate. So this was just only because of this Wi-Fi. We can call it a broadband in our house. So it gave me no problem, and online classes were also going very smoothly because of this. As you know that most of the online classes are happening on Zoom video calls and Google Meet and all. So I tried both the apps, and both work fine on my laptop as well as in my phone. And if I talk you about the connections, this Android TV is connected to this one laptop and 3 mobiles, all are connected at the same time, and all the devices run very smoothly if we start a video or anything at the same time. So like I purchased the 10 Mbps plan, and it worked very fine for me. So this was about my router, and okay guys, it is already late and I am going to attend my Zoom classes, so meet you later. And yes guys, finally I have ordered my Chromebook, new Chromebook, Dell Chromebook, and also the cover for it, and I have ordered from Amazon.com, that is from the America, and soon I will be getting the product in my hands, and I am very eager to unbox it and use it for myself. It is like I will tell you the process later on when the product arrives at my home, but still there are almost a week for the product to get. But still I am very excited for the product to know, because first time I am ordering from the Amazon.com, that is from the America, and the product will be imported from America to India, and I will be getting a new experience of shopping, and let's see what the result comes. So guys, till that time I am using my second laptop, that is my father's laptop, and that was just a spare laptop which broke out a few days ago. And this is how a typical Zoom call looks like, and there are 4 options: new meeting, join a meeting, share screen or schedule. You guys might know how to perform a Zoom meeting, but still I am telling how to do it. And from here you have to type the Zoom ID which you will getting from someone who is the host of the meeting, and you can have all recent meetings ID, so that you can easily enter into it, and then you have to type your name here and then just join the meeting and you are good to go. So guys, as you can see, it is already 8:15 and my classes are going to start from 8:20. So yes, I am going to attend my classes, and I will mute you. I will see you in the later part of the video.
One eternity later.
So guys, it's finally 1:05, as you can see. So now my classes are over. If I talk about a regular weekdays, my classes go up to 2 o'clock because there are 6 lectures, and today is Saturday, so because of for the namesake of half day, we have classes only till 1 o'clock, so that's very good. But still we should have only 2 or 3 classes on Saturday, but that's what we can just say, and we cannot do anything. So it's time for me to water my plants because the sun is very bright, and in between the clouds are coming, this is sunlight is becoming dim and then bright. So I have to water my plants. So let's go and check out my plants. So guys, as you all can see, the weather is not so nice. It is very much cloudy, but still it is not raining so hard from these days, and the sunlight is coming and going. So these are all my plants from I have a lot of plants in my garden. Actually, it is not a garden, it is terrace. So from here to there, and those flowering plants are very nice. I have to take special care for them because they are bearing almost 10 to 12 flowers at a time. And though this plant at the last, as you can see, this all are bunch flowers that grow on bunches, so they are more in number. So I have to also take care of them so that they bear flowers all the time in a year. These are also roses only, but bearing almost 10 to 12 flowers at a time. This is mogra, white flowers, very smelly and very nice to smell. So guys, it's almost 2:14 in the afternoon and I have done my lunch. The lunch was very nice, and now it has started raining, as you all can see, and also hear the sound of the raindrops coming down very heavily. Just now it started actually a few minutes ago, and it is raining very nicely. The cool breeze I can feel from here. My terrace, I think it's on second floor, and the cool breeze comes very nicely from that side also and from this side also, because both sides are open. So from here and from that side, so cool breezes come always in my house, and I am feeling very nice. As you can see, the plants are getting wet. Just now I poured water into them. I did watering to them, but then also they are getting the natural water. That is good for them, good for their health. They will grow very nicely and bear some large flowers. So let me enjoy the scenery, and I will meet you later. And also there are various trekking and waterfall sites near Nasik city that I will be going in the upcoming days. So if you want me to go there, please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video till now, and also please subscribe to my channel. Press the red button so that it turns grey and you are subscribed to my channel then, and press the bell icon. Okay, let me enjoy this and I will meet you later.
5 hours later.
So guys, it is almost 7:30 in the evening and the day is about to end in a few hours, and our video is also coming towards end. As you all can see, it is very much dark outside right now, but it is not usual, because on the regular days when the dark clouds were there but the rain did not happen, then also those days the light was very much sufficient that we can see far outside. But now I don't know for what reason, maybe the clouds were there, or more clouds were there, or rain was happening very heavily. The darkness has increased quite a bit, and I hope that you guys are safe at home. I hope you guys like this video. You do end up liking this video if you enjoyed, and please guys, stay at home, stay safe, because there are many cases are increasing day by day rapidly, because you guys, some of you might not be taking precautions, but everyone should take. Like there are news that today only evening came that the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan also tested positive for corona. So everyone has to take precautions like wearing mask, wearing gloves, using sanitizers, and maintaining hygiene and social distance. So that's all for now for this video. I hope that you guys like this video. Do end up liking this video. Do let me know in the comment section below how was this experiment with English vlogs. If you guys want me to continue, that I will surely continue. That way my English speaking skills will also increase, and you guys will also enjoy the video. So do comment, like or dislike, whatever you want. Please subscribe to my channel, press the red button, like tap it so that the screen also breaks. So that's all for now. Like, share, subscribe, comment, all you can do. Till then, bye bye and take care, and I will see you in my next video. Boom.